Hello, everyone. How are you? Let me see if everything is working here. Yes. How are you guys? Everything good? Let me see if the tech is working. Oh my God, the tech has been crazy lately. How about you? Oh, yes, here it is. This is an amazing time. I wanted to come today and tell you guys about the behind the scenes. So, some of you may know that I'm launching this week the Expat Journey Program. I've been running a pilot since February, making sure that the concept is right, that the content is right, and the feedback was amazing. 30 people during the pilot participated, and on Monday, I launched the membership, the Expat Journey Program, on a webinar. I'll leave the link down here in the comments so you guys can watch the webinar afterwards. It's going to be up until the end of May. Now, today I wanted to share a little bit of the behind the scenes because I know sometimes with these digital things, it can be hard to visualize what this is about. So before I actually start sharing my screen and showing you what it is inside the Expat Journey program, just a reminder, this is a one-stop shop for everything you need to plan, implement, and move abroad and adjust after arrival. So for those who don't know me, I'm an expat, a long-time expat. I've lived in 6 different countries throughout my life, and I'm an expat coach. I have a master's in intercultural psychology, and I'm also a trainer, and I've been working with people since 2016, helping them prepare, move abroad, and adjust after arrival. And I noticed throughout my years working with people and in my own experience and also during my master's that there was kind of like certain milestones that we went through, that we go through and people went through when preparing for a move abroad, and that many of the challenges that people face, I myself included, during the adjustment phase really was kind of like a lack of preparation or could have been prepared better in the pre-move moment. So this is the culmination of about pretty much 8 years working with people, 2 years doing my master's, and over 40 years living. And the idea is to bring you all the resources that you need for a mindful move, right? So who's ready to, let me see if there are questions, because I have to look here in Facebook. Yes, let me look if there are questions. No questions so far. If you have questions, you're watching the replay, you have questions afterwards, feel free to tag me and I'll be happy to answer. Okay, so I want to make this sweet and short. So let me start sharing my screen and let's see how this works. Just a second. And yes, so let's see here. Here it is. Fantastic. So this is what, let me see if the text is working here. There's a little bit of a delay. Yes, fantastic. So this is what the Expat Journey program looks like. So when you sign up, and this is the first thing you're going to see, right? Well, actually, after you sign up, there's a welcome page with a video sharing a little bit about the program and how to join the Facebook group and all that. This is what you're going to see. So basically, we have 9 different areas, and each area, each tab here, so to speak, this is the members dashboard. It has specific content for each moment of the move. Now, let me start here and get started here. So the idea is that you can watch a quick video of, how this works, a little explanation on the best ways to use it, and then there's a mini tutorial on how to navigate. And then also down here, there's a link to join the private Facebook group. This is where we have community support, asking questions, sharing challenges and all that. Then all of the pages have the members dashboard. So you can, wherever you are, if you get lost, you can always come back to this hub. So we have a pre-move roadmap and a post-move roadmap. The idea is to help you through the moment that you have this inkling, this idea, I think I want to live abroad. What do I have to do? How do I start? Until the moment you say, yes, I'm happy, I'm content. I don't need this anymore. Okay, so that's the idea. So the pre-move roadmap has everything you need for a mindful move abroad in terms of preparation. So we have 5 different stages, from setting the foundation, planning and research, how to plan and research, the practical aspects of implementation, the mindset aspects of implementation, and what I call the ready, set, go, meaning you're about to hop on the plane or move abroad and what you need to do. So each one of these stages has video lessons. Let's look at this one here, for example, has a video lesson, and each one of the stages has its own workbook that you can download. You can also keep it on your computer because you can edit the PDF. So this is the pre-move roadmap. It starts from the beginning and it goes through how to plan, how to organize your paperwork, how to research online, how to go on a scouting trip, how to get then practical implementation aspect, how to decide what to pack, getting started with bureaucracy, how to create your timeline, getting things done, researching about the country, mindset aspects, sharing the news, dealing with the overwhelm, saying goodbyes, then ready, set, go, what to do, how to prepare during the last 2 or 3 weeks of your move. Now, again, remember, every single page has the member's dashboard. Now, the post-move roadmap is for people who have already moved. So it's the same logic, same structure, but now we have 4 different stages: phases of adjustment, acculturation strategies, the OR methodology that I created for integration, and how to deal with intercultural differences. Then stage 3 is the new normal. So budget review, reflecting on your life up to now, and then finally stage 4 into goal assessment, values assessment, helping family members and what to do from here to make your move and now your life abroad successful. Now, that could be enough, but it isn't. It's not enough. So we have also different types of events. So inside the Expat Journey Program, we have live events and recorded events. So you can see here in the calendar, let's take a look at June. Okay, so what's happening in June? In June, we have a guest speaker interview. So every month we have a different guest speaker sharing their experience as an expat or as someone who works in the expat space, giving tips and ideas. So in June, it's Victor Queiroz from Viv Europe. Then we have a masterclass. Every month we have a different masterclass, and this masterclass in June is about how to decide where to live. Then we have a live workshop. This live workshop in June is about how to prepare your scouting trip, and we have live Q&A sessions and live orientation calls. So every single month we have 3 live sessions and 2 recorded sessions. So every single week you have something to help you navigate in your journey. Then, if you watched it live and want to rewatch it again, or if you haven't watched it live and want to watch the recording, this is where you go. So inside the library, you have the recordings of every single one of our live and recorded events. Then you have the directory of service providers. Wow, it's a lot. Yes, because I want you to have everything you need in one single place. So we have here a curated list of service providers ranging from career coaches, Expacity, who works with information from trusted professionals for people who are moving to Portugal, financial planning and advice, shipping companies, interior design, real estate, consulting, lawyers, relocation, scouting, foreign exchange brokers, medical concierge. I'm running out of breath. We have lots, and it's growing. Okay, so this list is growing, lots of different businesses. And for members, every single business here has a member benefit. So for example, 10% discount, or let's see what else we have here. We have a 50 euro off any membership. What else do we have here? 30% discount, $200 coupon code, 100 euro coupon code. So everything you need is going to be here. Now, as always, we go into there you go, back to the members dashboard. And finally, we have the area where you can join our private Facebook group. You can get more support. Now, if there are 3 moments to talk to me live in the workshop, the workshop, the live Q&A, and the live orientation call. But if needed, members can book a one-on-one with me for a very, very small price. This one-on-one is not included in the membership because I wanted the membership to be very, very affordable. I'm going to talk about that in just a minute. So you shouldn't need a one-on-one, but if you do, you have that opportunity. And finally, the FAQs, which we have to have because people have questions and we have answers. So these are the most important FAQs. So this is the behind the scenes of our Expat Journey Program. Now, I'm super excited for this launch, and to celebrate, I'm offering 25% off on the monthly and the yearly subscription. So the monthly subscription goes down from 28 euro to 21 euro. This price is locked in for as long as you remain a member. And in addition to this amazing 25% off, there are several bonuses: a scouting trip planner, a yearly planner, a settling in cheat sheet, and the move overseas with ease. Now, for the yearly subscription, it should be, well, the normal price is 280 euro. The discounted price for the launch until May 31st is 210 euro for the whole year. So you get 12 months and you only pay for 10. So you get 2 months free plus a one-on-one with me. So the idea is really to help you. My mission in life is to help people not go through what I went through in so many of my moves. I hope this was helpful. I don't see any questions at the moment. If you do have questions, I'm going to hop on Instagram later. I had a Q&A yesterday. I will have a Q&A throughout this week and the next. So, and feel free to, send me a message on Messenger, or join the Expat Connection Facebook group. That's my free Facebook group. I'd love to have you there and help you in any way I can. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be here. I hope you liked the behind the scenes view. It's so fun to look behind the curtain, isn't it? And hope to see you inside. For now, that's it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.